Hey, Skillbyte here. In this video, we're going to talk about Plasti Dip, how long it lasts, and how to fix it when it starts either wearing off or maybe some chips in it. So 3 years ago, next month, I used this can of Plasti Dip to do my emblems on my Miata. Let's take a look at them, see how they've held up. I'm going to show this in the sun, but there's so much glare you can't really tell. So here are the back emblems. You can see this one's really good, although hopefully it's showing up on camera that I need to do a better job cleaning around the emblem. Next one, you can see that there's pretty much no fading. And the final one back here still looks good after almost 3 years. Now in the front, this one, like you can see, has a few problems and it's showing some wear. Mine is garage kept, but pre-COVID it was parked out in the sun at work all day, so it's not like it was completely garage kept. It has almost 19,000 miles on it, of which a lot of that is interstate and including in the rain. Hence, rocks getting kicked up, and you can see, hopefully, in this light, that they're little chips. 3 ways that we could address these issues. One, you could use a paint brush and spray some Plasti Dip into the cap or something, and use a spray brush and dab it onto these places where it's nicked. However, that won't necessarily leave a smooth finish, so I'm not 100% sold on that one. We could peel this whole thing off. That's definitely doable and may not be as bad as I think it is. Or, since I did just wash this, we could just spray more Plasti Dip on top. That's right, you don't have to remove the old stuff. It's still stuck on, it's not going anywhere. So this thing is clean, and I'm actually going to respray it with Plasti Dip. I have a video that I'll link above on how to do Plasti Dip, and I will warn you that the camera's autofocus got picked up by the camera's mic, so you'll hear the Nikon autofocusing the camera some, but it gives you complete detailed guide on how to Plasti Dip your emblems, and that's exactly how I did these. Be sure to follow the instructions on your can. These different brands have slightly different instructions. Yes, I have paint protection film on here. That will not be an issue. There will be some that gets along the edge, but that will come off, so don't worry about that. Yes, I have these there so I can get it off easier. Again, you can see that other video if you want details. And the tip on the paint, put it in hot water, not too hot, not boiling. The warmer, when this is warm, it will actually spray smoother. This is coat 2, a fresh can, one that's not almost empty and 3 years old. Would have worked better. Ready for coat 3. Can's been sitting in the sun. I did this one a little thicker, hoping it's the last since I already had some on. It's been an hour and a half. By the way, I use newspaper. This is something that we used to have in America before the interweb became so popular, and no one actually subscribes to these anymore. But yeah, that's what this white thing with the writing on. You used to have them delivered to your house, you know, once a day or sometimes just once a week. So I got to be careful not to pull PPF off. Paint protection film. There we go. Got a little bit. And that will come out. If you don't have PPF, it would have pulled up all the way around. It would have been that simple. But I do. Much better. Of course, now I got to clean it again. Since I have my dirty hands all over the front end. But it looks much better. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.